Hello everyone, today I am here to talk to you about the importance of learning English. English is the most widely spoken language in the world. It's the language of international communication, business, and travel. By learning English, you expand your possibilities to connect with people from all over the world. But learning a language can be challenging sometimes. It takes dedication, effort, and lot of practice. However, don't be discouraged. There are many benefits to English language proficiency. It opens up new opportunities for education, career development, and personal growth. So, how can you stay motivated to learn English? Here are few tips. Set goals. Set achievable goals for your English learning journey. This could be anything from learning a new vocabulary word every day to watching a TV show without subtitles. Practice consistently. Consistency is key. Practice English every day even if it's just for a few minutes. Find fun ways to learning. Learning shouldn't be boring. Find ways to make a fun, play games, listen to music, watch movies and read books in English. Join a community of English learners. Connect with others who are learning the language and share resources, tips, and support. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a destination. Don't give up and keep working towards your goals. You will be amazed at how far you. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Keep watching and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.